Alright, so the star of the show is the Strawberry Moon palette by Lunar Beauty. The first shade I'm going in with is a little mixture between Strawberry Moon and Sunset, but I used way more of Strawberry Moon, and then I just put that in my crease and then blended it out very nicely, and then made sure I put it on my lower lash line as well. Then I'm going in with the shade Storm Cloud, which is a beautiful shade. I first put it on my lower lash, or my lash line, and then blended it out very nicely, just to make sure the two colors connected, and then put it on my lower lash line as well. Then I'm cutting my crease with the Rare Beauty concealer, which I love. Then I'm going in with Storm Cloud again, just to darken it up. And then at first I used the shade Ruby Skies, but I wasn't insane about it, so I went over top with Sweet Dream, and then it all came together. Then I really loved it. It was a beautiful lid shade. Then I'm taking the shade Horizon, which is stunning, and put that on very carefully on my waterline. And then the shade Lightning on my brow bone and inner corner highlight. Then those are the 3D Faux Minx lashes from Ardell. This is Dreamsicle and then Moon Gloss from Lunar Beauty. And that's it for the look, you guys. It was super easy to create, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!